Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome. I find today to be a very exciting day because I have my very first Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. I'm so excited. I feel like I've waited for forever. I have belonged to Ipsy for quite some time. It's a monthly subscription, in case you don't know. You get the Glam Bag, and it's $10 a month, and it has 5 sample sizes in it. Sometimes you get full-size products. Quite often you get brushes, which I love. And a few months ago, they added on the Glambag Plus box. It's more like a BoxyCharm box. It's $25 instead of $10 a month, but you get 5 full-size products in it. And it is hard to get. They have a wait list. You have to try and get on the wait list, and then once you're on the wait list, you have to wait to get off the wait list. It took a couple months. I found the best way to do it was through the Ipsy Care on Twitter. They're very receptive to talking, and I just expressed my desire to be on the wait list, and it seemed to work. And then it took maybe a month to get off of it. So I'm so excited. So let's get in here and see what I've got. I haven't even opened it yet. Oh, I should have. Okay, here we go. So you open it up and it says Glambag Plus, in case you didn't know. And then it says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. And it has a nice cover, and it's wrapped all around it. So everything's well protected, fingers crossed. And they have a nice pamphlet with it that tells you everything you need to know. We'll read that as we go along. So let's get in here. The blue thing keeps falling over, so I haven't gotten a good look at it yet. Let's just reach in and see what we get. Tarte Dream Big. This is an eyeshadow palette. I may or may not have stalked several people that have already opened their boxes. There's variations. So just because you watch other people's videos, you don't know what you're going to get. So it's very exciting. It's so pretty. It's metallic, and it opens on the side like a notebook. Little plastic covering. Oh, so pretty. The colors are fantastic. Does it smell nice? I thought it smells like sugar cookie or candy or something. It's got a really nice smell. Let's swatch some of these colors and see what we've got. Okay, let's see what the book says about it. I can read the first part. It says Tarte Double Duty Dream Big Eyeshadow Palette. It says that it is a value of $30, and it's a pocket-sized palette with 6 metallic and 2 matte shades. So, let's say the matte shades are this light one that you're going to use as your base, and this dark one. All of the rest of them seem to be the metallics. So, let's see what we can get here. That's that pretty gold that was, can you see that? That was up top. And this pretty pink. Oh, it comes off as even, it almost wants to be duochrome. It's kind of pinky but orangey depending on how it's in the light. Very pretty. Let's try this purple. I love a purple. Oh, so pretty. These colors are fantastic. I have really light skin, so these colors work for me. This is called Hustle. Let's see what, oh. This is I would say a black with a metallic in it. That's a lot of color. Those are so pretty. So that's a really pretty palette, and it smells so sweet. I can't help it. I love that. All right. So what's next in the box? I have the LXMI Pure Nilotica Melt. Nilotica is shea butter, I believe. I believe it's just the fancy word for shea butter. This is a 50 gram, 1.67 ounce. It says this is a 100% organic, vegan, cruelty-free, single ingredient balm. Again, I think that single ingredient is actually shea butter. And it is the ultimate skin savior to keep on hand. You can put it anywhere. It actually says, helpful hint, use it to tame flyaways and unruly eyebrows. I just don't have unruly eyebrows. Oh, safety seal. Excellent. here. Oh, it's very thick, and it was, I just got this box, so it was just outside, and we have had a couple cold ones here, but here we go. It's coming out. Oh my goodness. That's firm. Well, I have to switch hands now. Let's see if it just melts like they say. Yep, right down to oil. Oh, my hands need that so bad. I should have probably done this before I did the swatches. You guys are probably looking at ugly, dry hands. Oh, it did. It did absorb right in. It smells almost like nothing. It just almost doesn't have a smell. I guess the Nautica doesn't have a smell. Very cool. They say that that is a $28 value. I think they want you to use it on your face too, but I have to tell you, and I'm going to keep saying it like it's true, so Nautica is shea, and I don't think I am going to put that, even organic, just straight shea butter on my face. I think it is asking for trouble. Okay, let's see what's next in here. This is so exciting. All right, I have the NYX Professional Makeup Sweet Cheeks Blush Palette. I could use a new blush palette. I have been using parts of palettes that I didn't buy specifically for blushes. You know, you find a cute palette and you buy it, and then you just, and I don't know that the colors that I'm using are necessarily the best for me. I'm trying to open this, and as I do, I'm reading the back. And for what it's worth, the first ingredient is talc, if you're talc sensitive. I know that a lot of people are. But this is a great way to have a lot of options. Lots of color options here. So pretty though. The colors are so pretty. I mean, there's a pop of color. The beauty is these will probably be great eyeshadows too. The book says that it is a value of $20. And why work with one shade of blush when you can mix and layer 8? Oh, there's no chance that goes wrong when I start mixing. Sounds like fun though. It includes neutral mattes and sparkling shimmers in every pinky hue you'll ever need. I believe that might be true. Let's swatch a couple of them and see. Let's do this really bright pink over here that I was, this would be fantastic. Can you imagine? Oh, I just put my, well, let's see what it does. Oh, at least when it goes down. You know what? I think you could make that work. I mean, I don't know if you could literally make it work, but I think, oh, it's staying on my finger too. So it's got great pigment, because you better put it where you want it, girl. It's nice though. It's not powdery. I'm really pleased with it. Let's try this nice coral here. I like a good coral in the summer. It's very true coral on my finger. They're more subtle when you put them down. They have the true color. I mean, like, that's a gorgeous, gorgeous coral. And let's try this pink up here and see if it could be used as a highlighter. This one here that's so light, it's a shimmery one, you know? It would be nice probably laid over. Let's put it over this bright one and see what happens. Oh, I don't know if you can you tell, did it make it shinier? It did make it brighter and shinier here, but that's very cool. So that is a lot of colors to have fun and play with. Okay, let's reach in and see what's next. Ooh, I have the Heavenly Luxe, I think it's a blending foundation, buffing foundation brush. This nice tube that it came in would be great to keep, to carry a brush if you're traveling. It'd be a great way. Oh, it's so soft. I have several brushes because I also shop on QVC, and the beauty of QVC is a lot of their things that you buy makeup wise, if you buy like an foundation, for like $4 more, you can buy it with the brush and you get one of their great brushes. But this is so soft. I use a beauty blender for my foundation, so I don't know that I will use this at all, but it's, you know, it might be good for, yeah, I think I might use it for bronzer. I just want to play with it. Kind of red. Feels very nice. This is another excellent product. Okay, I think we're down to our last one. Let's see what we've got. Oh, did I tell you that brush? Just a second. They say that it is the Heavenly Luxe Flat Top Buffing Foundation Brush, and it is worth $48. $48 is a lot of brush, but it does feel nice. And I have several of her brushes and love them. So happy to have it. Don't know that I would spend $48 on it, but happy to have it. And the Finding Ferdinand is a lipstick. Let's see what the book says about it. I have seen other people unbox this, and it seems to come in two colors, the All Natural and a darker one. All Natural, All Natural, All Natural. I don't see on here where it says. It doesn't seem to say. It says Finding Ferdinand on the bottom. It won't say if that looks like anybody else's labeling. Oh, it says it on top. All Natural. And in and out. How cool is that? Oh yeah. Also perfect pink nude lippy. Fantastic. Let's see if I can avoid some. You know what? I'll do it on the back of my arm. Oh, that's pretty. It's going to be perfect. I love it when I get a lipstick that I can use that's not all red or orange. Whew. I got a BoxyCharm one last month that was literally traffic cone orange. Not reusable in my life. I love the way that does. And then you still have to pull it out. So it's going to be great in your purse, or in my purse. Yeah, so the Finding Ferdinand in All Natural, they say, is a $30 value. So yay! I'm so excited. I'm going to keep my sleeves down. I don't want to get that all over me. So I'm so excited. I got my first Ipsy Bag Plus. I feel like I've waited forever. And I got 5 great products that I'm so excited to use. I don't think I have a dud in the bunch. I might not use it exactly like they planned, like the Melodica Melt. I think will be a body product for me, not a face product, but it's still a great product to have. I don't think I'll use this for foundation. I think I'll probably use it for probably bronzer. Still a great product to have. This Finding Ferdinand that I got in the color that I wanted, I'm so excited to have because it's such a usable color. Yay. The Nyx Blush. I mean, it's just a Nyx product, but still $20, and that's a lot of blushes, and I could use a blush. So I'm super excited to have that. And the Tarte palette, the eyeshadows, that's a $30 palette and smells so fantastic. Yay. Thanks for coming by, guys. I hope that if you're trying to get off the wait list, you get off of it soon. And I will see you soon with more unboxings. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell so that you don't miss one. And I'd love to see you back. Thanks, guys. Bye.